Well, Taco Slayers, we messed up badly. We followed the recipe for the slow cooker buffalo chicken tacos pretty closely, and somehow we messed up. The chicken's dry, so we're gonna try to save it. We're gonna make a sauce.
We're gonna add some honey and butter and Frank's Red Hot.
It was a good try.
Wish us luck.
Also, I have been soaking these beans for the last 2 days, and we're gonna try to make some black bean tortillas and a bomb salsa. Day 234. They've soaked, they've absorbed the water, and now we're gonna blend them up and make one ingredient. It's really 3 ingredients, but 1 ingredient, black bean tortillas. Let's do it. Nice and charred up, it's gonna make the ultimate salsa! Let's see what happens. What's going on, Taco Slayers? Here we are, the end of the night. Time to eat these tacos. Now, you made some cool tortillas, but I also made some cool tortillas.
Competition, eh?
Yeah, that's right. This is the 1 ingredient black bean tortilla. We really turned those buffalo chicken tacos into something. They were crap, I'm not gonna lie.
They were dry.
That was the worst recipe
Probably
ever.
overcooked them.
With some buffalo sauce, we really killed it. So here we go. It's been a good one. It's been a real good one. I'm really excited about this. Oh my goodness. The black bean tortilla is delicious, but also the creme that we made, the onions, the cheese. What are these green things?
Celery.
The celery. This is awesome. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Oh, hey there. Get out of here.